नासनोडकर ज्वेलर्स चोरी प्रकरणात पोलिसांनी हरजी चौहान आणि भवानी सिंग हांकां अटक केला. पोलिसांनी त्यांच्याकडल्यान सुमार 1 किल भांगर आणि 12 किल चांदी जप्त केला. चोरयेची घडणूक घडिल्ल्याचे कळटाच सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजीच्या मजतीन पुलिसांचे पंगड महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटकात धाडले. मजगती दुबावित सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्ह्यात आशिल्ल्याची माहिती मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत ह्या पंगडान हरजी चौहान आणि भवानी सिंग हांच्या वांगडा 2 नेणट्या भुरग्यांक ताब्यात घेतले. सध्या त्या दोगांय नेणट्या भुरग्यांक अपना घरांत धाडल्या. ह्या दोगांक पुलीस कस्टडीत घेतला. आयतारा 22 तारखेक रातच्या सुमार 12 ते 2 वरां मजगती 4 चोरांनी नासनोडकर ज्वेलर्स ह्या दुकानात चोरी केली. चोरी केल्या उपरांत 2 कपड्याच्या पोतयांनी दुकानांतलो माल भरून दुबावित बाजारांतल्यान चलत महारुद्र देवळा मेरेन गेल्ल्याचे हांगच्या एका दुकानांतल्या सीसीटीव्हीत कैद जाल्ले. मजगती म्हापशा पोलिसांनी तपास सुरू केलो. ह्या चोरांक सोदपा खातीर म्हापशा पोलिसांनी 4 तपास पंगडाची नेमणूक केल्ली. हातूंत उपनिरीक्षक, हवालदार आणि कॉन्स्टेबल मेळून 12 ते 15 जाणांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो. ह्या वेळार नायट पेट्रोलिंगाक लागून ह्या चोरांक धरपाक यश आयलें अशें म्हणून नॉर्थ गोवा SP अक्षत कौशल हांणी म्हापशा पोलिसांची तोखणाय केली. मुखार नॉर्थ गोवा SP कौशल हांणी दिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण म्हापशा पोलिसांनी 23 सप्टेंबराक सकाळच्या सुमार 3 वरांचेर धरिल्ल्या दोगांक दुबावान आडायल्ले. तांकां कांय प्रश्न विचारून तांचे फोटोय काडिल्ले. ह्या फोटवा वरवीं पुलीस चोरां मेरेन पावले अशेंय तांणी सांगलें.
The team of Mapusa police station has successfully apprehended an interstate burglary gang that was responsible for committing a major theft in a jewelry shop in Mapusa market. When we started scanning through the CCTV cameras, we discovered that on Saturday night this gang had made an attempt at the same shop. We took out all the CCTV footage which was available. This footage ran into hours. All that footage was then divided among the very able staff of Mapusa police station, and a search began for these suspects. We were able to see in the CCTV footage that there were 3 boys or men who had committed this act, and they had completely covered their faces. The Mapusa police station staff came to us and said that the descriptions which we are seeing in these CCTV footage match with 2 persons they had stopped at around 3 AM near Mapusa police station because they had found them in a slightly suspicious position. They had clicked their photographs. The identity of the thieves, at least their physical identity, became very apparent. The clothes of these suspects matched with the photographs which our staff had clicked. We have arrested 4 persons till now. Their details are: 1, Mr. Harji Chauhan. He is a resident of Bewar, which is a district adjacent to Ajmer. He is 26 years old. Another person who has been arrested is one Mr. Bhavani Singh, who is 18 years old. He is also a resident of that same district. And we have also arrested or apprehended 2 CCLs. Their age is less than 18 years, that we have been able to recover almost all the stolen property.